The Liuyang drone fireworks in China are a perfect combination of traditional fireworks and modern technology. Like the tears of the Sky Gate on December 7, 2024, a circular ring composed of hundreds of drones, fireworks poured down from it, shocking and profound, expressing the longing for the mother previously. There were also classic scenes such as Flame Encounter and celebrating years created through drone formations. It not only enhances the technological content and artistic appeal of the performance, creating a new visual experience, but also provides new ideas for the future development of fireworks performances.